Why do most AI agents fail in production? It's not a lack of intelligence in the model. It's a lack of structure in the code. We've been trying to force dynamic, multi-step reasoning into linear chains, but real-world tasks aren't linear. Today, we're looking at LangChain 1.0, stripping away the hype to see how to actually build reliable, stateful systems using the right tool for the right job. LangChain 1.0 is a formalization of the ecosystem. It splits into three pillars. LangChain Core provides the LCEL protocol for composable, deterministic pipelines. LangGraph sits on top as an orchestration layer for stateful, cyclic workflows. And LangSmith provides the observability needed to actually see what's happening inside those loops. It's about choosing between a pipeline and a state machine. LCL isn't magic parallelization. It's a declarative way to compose steps. By defining your structure with the pipe operator, you get features like streaming and batching out of the box. Most importantly, it makes complex patterns like fan-out parallelization easy to define without manually managing asyncio.gather. It turns your logic into a transparent, executable graph. Chains are perfect for deterministic tasks like RAG or extraction, but agents need loops. LangGraph allows you to define state machines where an agent can retry a failed tool call, reflect on a bad output, or wait for human approval. You aren't letting the agent rewrite its code. You are explicitly designing the paths for retry and replanning. This is how you build a system that can recover from a hallucination instead of just crashing. In a cyclic system, you need a trace. LangSmith gives you that X-ray view. You can drill into every token and tool call to see exactly where a replanning loop went off the rails. It's not literal time travel, but it allows you to replay specific executions with modified inputs to test fixes without restarting the entire graph. It's about shrinking the feedback loop for the developer. To manage costs and security, you need input and output guardrails. These are programmatic checks that enforce schemas and prevent prompt injections. By using a harness around your model, you can significantly reduce token waste from malformed responses and ensure the agent stays within its sandbox. It's about building a laboratory for the model, not just a playground. Site 2. The biggest mistake is over-engineering. If your task is a simple RAG pipeline or a batch ETL job, stick with LCEL and DAGs. They are faster, cheaper, and easier to test. Only reach for LangGraph when you need persistent state, complex tool calling loops, or human-in-the-loop verification. Engineering is about knowing when a simple chain is enough, too. Watch this research agent. It hits a dead end with a tool call, realizes it needs a different search term, and replans its strategy. The underlying code is static and secure, but the agent's behavior is dynamic. That is the power of a well-architected state machine in LangChain 1.0. Stop chasing the hype and start building for production. LangChain 1.0 isn't about magic, it's about control. Source code for this state machine is below. Subscribe for more engineering-first AI content. I'll see you in the terminal.